Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture on UMIDIGI F1, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find system. Right now we have to go for the languages and input, then select virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard and move for the theme. So right now we have to click here and we will get files, photos and pictures that we have on the smartphone, and I will select this photo. Right now we can scale picture. I will take maybe this part of the photo, click next. We can set the transparency like that, click down, and we can also turn on key borders, click apply, and that's how we can change theme of your keyboard. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.